Students, welcome to the mathematics class. Today I am going to solve the seventh example, that is find x and y of the exercise 3.2 of the topic matrices. Here we are going to find the value of a capital X and a capital Y. There are two examples. I will solve the first one and rest of the problems solved by you only. That is second one. Here also eighth one is also same as a seventh one. Okay. Now I will solve the first example of the seventh question. That is exercise number 3.2. That is main question, seventh one. That is the first one. Here we have find x and y, capital X and capital Y, if x plus y is equals to 7025 and x minus y is equals to 3003. So first call it equation number 1, x plus y is equals to 7025. Call it equation number 1, x minus y is equals to 3003. Call it equation number 2. Now for finding the value of x, we have to remove the y. We have plus y, this is minus y. Hence we should add the equation 1 and 2. Add equations 1 and 2, so that x plus y, this is equation number 1, plus x minus y is equals to, that is x plus y is 7025 and that is x minus y, that is 3003. Okay, now remove the bracket. X plus y plus x minus y equals to, that is 7 plus 3, 7 plus 3, 0 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3. Now here plus y minus y get cancelled. Plus y minus y get cancelled. Okay. Now that is x plus x 2x, that is 7 plus 3 10, 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 0 2, 5 plus 3 8. This implies that brought 1 by 2 into denominator, that is x is equals to 1 by 2, that is 10 0 2 8. Okay, after simplifying, say 1 by 2 into 10, that is 1 by 2 into 10, that is 2 1s are 2 5s are, okay, that is 5. This is a scalar. Multiply this scalar with all the element of a matrix inside the matrix. Okay, 1 by 2 into 10, that is 5. 1 by 2 into 0, that is 0. And 1 by 2 into 2, that is 1 by 2 into 2, 2 to get cancelled, that is 1. That is 1. And 1 by 2 into 8, that is 1 by 2 into 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are, that is 4. That is 4. Therefore, the value of x is 5014. So the value of x is 5014. This is the value of x. And similarly, you have to find the value of y. Similarly, solve for y. Solve for y. Now here, you have the two equations. You have to just here plus x, here plus x. Hence, we have to subtract the equation 2 from 1. You have to subtract 2 from 1. Subtract equation 2 from 1. Subtract equation 2 from 1. Therefore, equation 1 is x plus y minus x minus y. That is x plus y minus x minus y. X plus y is 7025. X plus y is 7025. Minus is there, minus of x minus y. That is x minus y 3003. 3003. So remove the bracket. X plus y minus into plus minus x minus into minus plus y. Okay, so here that is 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. 0 minus 0. 2 minus 0. 5 minus 3. That is plus x minus x get cancelled. Plus y, that is a 2y. Now 7 minus 3, 4. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 0, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. Now transfer this 2 into denominator. Y is equals to 1 by 2. That is 40, 2, 2. Now this is a scalar. Multiply this scalar with all elements of a matrix. Okay. So that is 1 by 2 into 4. 1 by 2 into 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is a 2. 1 by 2 into 0, 0. 1 by 2 into 2, 1 by 2 into 2, 2 to get cancelled, that is a 1. 1 by 2 into 2, that is also 1. This is y. This is the value of y. This is the value of y. Here this is the value of x. This is how we find the value of capital X and capital Y. So that the remaining examples like 2x plus 3y is equals to 2340 and 3x plus 2y is equals to 2 minus 2 minus 1 5. And eighth question is find x if y is equals to 3 2 1 4 and 2x plus y is equals to 1 0 minus 3 2. Solve by you only. See here 2x plus 3y, here 3x plus 2y.